Hello, my name is Alf Tide. I am a territory manager with Salford Group, and I'm here today to do a walk around of our new AB640. So the AB640, not only is it a new design for Salford, the AB640 has a 90-foot boom. The 90-foot boom is 25% more efficient than our existing 72-foot boom. And nowadays for farmers, efficiency is king. If you can do more acres per hour with the same manpower and the same tractor, you got a good thing going on your farm. The 90-foot boom on an AB640 has a 6-foot breakaway section on the end, so if you do happen to strike something, an object in the field, it will break away. As a matter of fact, I can do this by hand. It just breaks away easily. Now the boom is actually made in 3 sections. We got the breakaway boom, but our folding part of our boom is right here. So there's actually 3 sections in this boom compared to 2 sections in our 72-foot boom. To give us added protection, there is a shear bolt right here. So not only do we have protection by a spring-loaded 6-foot boom on the end, we also have a shear bolt to give us secondary protection if a bigger object is struck further inside from the breakaway boom. Okay, the machine comes with 2 bins. We have the main bin that's 540 cubic feet, and then we have a secondary bin that's 100 cubic feet. The secondary bin can be used for micronutrients, can be used for granular herbicide, or even for canola or clover and grass seed. So it's easy to change from a single bin to the dual bin. So all you do is there's a lever, and you move the lever from single bin to dual bin, which closes up the little bin to the big bin, so you have 2 separate hoppers. Or you can do as we have on this machine, you can leave it in single bin where it actually opens up the main bin to the little bin, so you can fill the whole machine with fertilizer. So in this case, we're only running 1 product. The AB640 has 2 tanks, so there's 2 meters. The back tank is the micro hopper. It's 100 cubic feet, and this is your low rate roller, so the pegs are a lot shorter than the high rate roller. So there's 2 rollers we can use. For rates up to 15 or 20 pounds, we would use the low rate roller, and for rates above that, up to 45, 50 pounds, we would use the high rate roller. Here is your metering chain, which is tank number 1. Tank number 1 is what meters out your fertilizer. This machine will run anywhere from 48 pounds right up to 725 pounds at 10 miles an hour. This is a box that holds the Raven ECU. The Raven is what controls all the metering on the machine. The Raven ECU is fully capable for variable rate and also section control. But of course, for section control, your tractor will have to have an activation. The tank design, as you can see, is a little bit different than our 9620. As you can see, it has a bit of an angle to it. And there's a reason for this angle. The reason we have that angle is because a boom spreader like this will always empty front to back. And what would happen on our 9620 is the back of the machine would get much heavier as it empties. So with the AB640, there's a lot more material in the front, so it empties out a lot more evenly, and you have less problem with having too much weight at the back as the machine empties. The AB640 has 8 load cells, 4 on each side, and they have a maximum capacity of 22,000 pounds, so much heavier than our 9620. And these double-ended load cells, they're not cantilever style, they're double-ended, so there's constant pressure on both sides of the load cell, which makes it much more robust, and it'll last a lot longer. Serviceability on the AB640 is second to none. The shield comes off in seconds to expose all of your solenoids for your boom fold. These are all your these are your PWMs right here. Your ladder is stored here. Also, all of your grease banks are here as well. So all your greasing for the back of the machine is done right here. So serviceability, as I said, second to none, easy to get in here, easy to service, and you can stand up. The AB640 has dual 800 tires and a tandem walking beam. This walking beam is the same walking beam we've used for years on our 9620. Very durable, very robust. For more information on the AB640, go to salfordgroup.com.